Three big records broken by Yash's KGF teaser. One of the most anticipated movies of 2021 is undoubtedly KGF Chapter 2, starring Yash, Sanjay Dutt, Raveena Tandon. The teaser of the much anticipated movie was supposed to be released on Yash's birthday, 8th January. But unfortunately, the trailer got leaked online on 7th January before the makers could even release it. Which is why the makers of KGF released the teaser on 7th January night in haste. And just within 12 hours of its release, the teaser of KGF Chapter 2 has broken 3 major records online. Let us find out in this video which major records got broken by the teaser of the KGF Chapter 2. Likes and views of teaser. The mind-boggling teaser of this much anticipated movie has gained a humongous response from the people. It has received more than 20 million views within just 12 hours of release, and it gained more than 2 million likes within 12 hours. And by now, the counting has reached more than 44 million within 18 hours, whereas the counting of likes has reached more than 3 million's mark. Most liked teaser of South movies. KGF has become the most liked teaser of a South Indian movie as it has gained a huge number of likes all over the internet. This is just the teaser of the movie, so we can easily guess what would be the reaction when the trailer of the movie gets released. And surely, the movie will break huge records when it will be released on the theatres. Memes on a particular scene. The teaser showed a scene where Yash can be seen lighting a cigarette with the help of a machine gun. People cannot keep calm after seeing this scene, and there is a storm of memes on the internet on that particular scene. Twitter is flooded with memes made on some scenes from the teaser of KGF Chapter 2. How excited are you about this movie? Let us know in the comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates from Bollywood.